Gundersen from Molde, Norway, soon to become a Takt master. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Thought I could share with you some of my thoughts and approach with implementing Takt in a project that is in the startup. The project is in middle of Molde, Norway, and it's about to remodel the whole floor inside this building. The floor is about 1500 square meters and is in the 5th floor. The project has a tight schedule, so we definitely need to achieve flow on this project. And of course, that's why we use Takt. Whoop. So in collaboration with the general contractor, we started with this macro plan, as you can see here, where we divided the project in 7 phases. We saw that we needed to start the tiering immediately, and we had to prioritize what to make ready first in the Takt plan. Our priority was, and still is, first is to create flow for the first 3 phases. And from there we have to get control of the procurement and the design so that this plan can succeed. The second is to start with the huddle system on site and get the people onboarded on that. The third is to create flow in the rest of the phases so that we have a complete Takt plan on the project. And therefore also we have control over the procurement and design for the whole project. And the fourth priority is to optimize this plan and create buffers. So to work with these priorities, we use Scrum and Miro. And in this Scrum board and our Scrum process, the Takt plan is one of the main targets and deliveries in each sprint. So we have a macro Takt plan as this week's sprint target. The target in the first sprint, which was the last week, was to create flow in the first 3 phases and get the huddle routine onboarded on site. To achieve this, we did a pull plan, as you can see, on the first 3 phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. And this is the pull plan, and these are the Takt zones we discussed through the pull plan. And did this sprint in 1 week, and then we got the visual Takt plan on the norm level for that 3 phases. This week, the team did the same yesterday on the 6th phase, the most critical phase in the project. And here you can see the pull plan from that session. And tomorrow we will update our Takt plan for this phase, and then we have control over the most of the project and the critical phases. The target for the next week's sprint is to get control over the procurement dates, so that we can see that what the design has to prioritize to work on after New Year. This will create a main part. As you can see, this is the procurement log we're going to work on, and these are the dates and specs that we're going to fill in next week. And when we have this, we are going to use this as our priority list for the backlog of our sprints. And also this is for the design, and then the superintendents will going to start on the micro levels on the plan, because we have a norm level, and then we're going to micro plan both the pull plan session and which assignments each of those boxes are going to be, or the trains, or the wagons. The goal for this session with the superintendents and the teams in the micro level is to create buffers in each train What I can say is that Takt and both Takt and Scrum is deeply implemented, and the team in this project is very motivated to learn and to make this as a success. And all of this is thanks to you, Jason, and your effort to spread and to share your knowledge. The virtual bootcamp and the Takt course you did this fall for us in Molde and Norway has made a big impact. So thank you, Jason. We're forever grateful. And hopefully I can share some more of my thoughts and our team's approach on this project later on, when we hopefully get a success. On we go!